Hey, you need a serrated knife for your tomatoes.
I know that.
Never chop a tomato
ever
with a chef's knife if you have a serrated knife.
Don't do that. You need a serrated knife. Oh, look, there's a serrated knife. How convenient.
Magically appeared.
What beautiful moisturized hands those were.
Welcome to Meals from Memory, the show where we ask our favorite tastemakers their go-to can't miss weeknight recipes. Liza, what are we cooking today?
This chickpea coconut curry recipe is so simple. It's a no-brainer. You literally do not need a brain to make it.
It's perfect. My brain is not here today.
Okay,
so
good.
Let's do this.
I'm hollow. There's nothing inside. So we have our chickpeas. We also have our coconut milk.
Yum.
Yum. We've got our curry powder. Garam masala.
Garam masala. This is something you and I share. I'm Pakistani, and this is just an incredible blend of cumin and coriander and just all the warming spices that make any South Asian dish, or really any dish, taste better.
It's a great cheat code because it has everything inside of it. We also have our cumin, also prevalent in both of our foods. I've got an onion. We've got some fresh lime that we're gonna squeeze on top. Oh, I'm sorry, I almost forgot the garlic. Now we're just cutting up some tomatoes. You're gonna have to cut that onion. That's why I put it on that side.
I'm not cutting this onion.
Huh?
I have a extreme reaction to cutting onions. I've tried everything. I've tried the goggles, wet paper towel, the toothpick between my teeth.
Really?
Nothing works.
Give me some sunglasses and I'll happily cut it. Here we go. Oh no. Here, wait. Hold on.
All right, show us. Guys,
Dry.
zoom in.
Dry. Get in there.
Not a tear.
Look at that. Needs Lumify, but we're good. Oh no, now I feel it. So wait, now I feel it. So we've got it on a low heat right now. And the reason why that is because we have to toast our spices first.
So this has a name, this process has a name. It has many names. We called it tarka, T-A-R-K-A. The essence is the same. Bloom your spices in hot oil.
So we're gonna put our oil in. This is coconut oil. Oh, that smells so good. I think we've let it toast long enough, right?
Yeah.
All right, so first we're gonna start with this first interval, this first section. So we're gonna let some onions and tomatoes stew together with our spices. So this sits and stews 10 minutes, and then the next ingredients go in. That sits and stews for 10 minutes, and then it's done. Look how stunning that is.
And how long do we want to let this all cook together?
So this is going to take all of 10 minutes just to reduce down. And what's really gonna help us actually get it to a thicker consistency is a little trick of adding coconut flour.
What?
This is a nice thickening agent.
Ooh, I love that.
Done. I like to add a little pepper.
I think pepper has not earned its place next to salt.
You think it should be on,
It should
just
be
in the spice cabinet?
in the spice cabinet.
Nowhere near the table? Okay, that's fair. That's your hot take, huh? You wanna throw some lime in there?
Let's do it.
Oh, it looks great. Dramatic hold. Away
Okay.
from you. Huh?
That's really good.
Yeah?
That's really good.
Hey, good. Then that means it's time to plate.
I think it's ready.
It's ready.
Some nice fluffy basmati rice, that long grain.
You know what I like to do? I like to make a little hug.
What?
So I like to make a little like dent
Oh.
so that my curry has like a little bed to sit in.
And you call it a hug.
I call it a hug. That's so good.
It's really good. I'm gonna be making this a lot. Thank you for teaching me.
Thank you for teaching me. I love being able to fuse different techniques that I learned from friends into my recipes. Makes it feel more like home.
That's what it's all about.
Damn right. Thank you.
If you loved this episode, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss a recipe. Let us know in the comments what dish you make from memory, and join us next week for another delicious story.